Deepor Beel is located at the southwest of the Guwahati city. It is one of the last home to greater adjutant stork with a global population of less than 2,000 birds. The Beel is located 13 km southwest of Guwahati on the National Highway 31 on the Jalukbari-Khanapara bypass. It is about 5 km from Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport, Guwahati. It is a permanent freshwater lake in a former channel of Brahmaputra River. It is considered as one of the largest beels in the Brahmaputra Valley of Lower Assam. It is also called a wetland under Ramsar Convention, which has listed the lake in November 2002 as Ramsar Site, for undertaking conservative measures on the basis of its biological and environmental importance. The Beel is a natural habitat to many varieties of birds. 219 species of birds, including more than 70 migratory species, are reported in the Beel area. Especially in winter season, some of the globally threatened birds can be seen in the Beel. The BirdLife International has declared Deepor Beel as an important bird area with high priority of conservation. Surveys have revealed 20 amphibians, 12 lizards, 18 snakes, and 6 turtles and tortoise species in the Beel. The Deepor Beel provide, directly or indirectly, its natural resources for the livelihood of 14 indigenous villages located in its area. Human settlements, roads and industries in the eastern and northeastern sides causing pollution and affecting the ecosystem of Deepor Beel. Wastewater from different parts of the city is also adding to the pollution problem. Despite the presence of dustbins, some irresponsible visitors are also contributing in damaging the natural beauty of this area by throwing plastics here and there. Do come and visit this amazing place and enjoy the beauty of nature, and also contribute in keeping the beauty of the nature. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.